Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been struggling to create a new Hotmail or Outlook email, this video is for you. I'll walk you through the exact steps to make a brand new Hotmail account in just a few minutes. The right way with no confusion. So stay tuned till the end so you don't miss any key setup tips. Let's get started. First, open any web browser, Chrome, Edge, or Safari, and search for Outlook login. Click on the official Microsoft Outlook website or go directly to outlook.com. This is the homepage where both Hotmail and Outlook accounts are managed. Once you're there, don't click sign in. Instead, select create free account. This will take you straight to the registration page. Now, it's time to choose your new email address. You can pick either an @hotmail.com or @outlook.com domain. Both work the same. Type in your desired email name, and if it's already taken, try adding numbers or small variations until it's available. Next, you'll create a strong password. Make sure it includes uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and at least one special character. Avoid simple ones like 12345 or your name. Microsoft is pretty strict about password security these days. Once done, confirm it in the next field. After that, fill in your personal details, your first and last name, region, and date of birth. These help keep your account secure and make recovery easier if you ever forget your password. Then comes the CAPTCHA, a quick verification step to prove you're human. It could be solving a small puzzle or typing characters from an image. Complete that and hit next. Within seconds, you'll see a confirmation that your new Hotmail account is ready. You can now access your inbox, use the calendar, and connect to Microsoft services like OneDrive or Teams, all with this one account. And that's it. Your brand new Hotmail account is ready for action. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more easy tech tutorials every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.